What's up, everybody? This is Sunko, the Korean Bro. Today is 2022, April 11th, and I'm going to read articles tonight again. For the first 30 minutes, I'll be reading articles, and then for second 30 minutes, I'll be reading reports published by the company that I choose. So last night I read business reports of the company named um, what was it? Cloudflare, and I'm thinking about reading that business report again tonight because I was reading it last night and I was in the middle of it, and then abruptly I finished it. Abruptly, it was not finished, and abruptly it ended. So, it's okay. I'll read articles first, okay? And then I'll do something next. Okay. Tonight, the trend is not good. It's all reddish, which is not a good sign, but it's okay because ones that I invested into are all good ones, so I really have high hopes up on these stocks, so it's okay. Let's read one article first. Here's one article about the company named Upstart Holdings. 3 stocks that can double your money according to Wall Street. You're reading a free article with opinions that may differ from the Motley Fool's premium investing services. The investment bank analysts who follow these stocks think they can produce big gains. Upstart Holdings, Global E Online, and Marathon Digital Holdings. Marathon Digital Holdings. And what do we have? Global E Online. 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 Okay, let's read this first. These 3 companies sport a very different business models, but they have one thing in common. The average analyst on Wall Street thinks they're worth at least 100%, more than their recent prices. Upstart Holdings shares are down a frightening 75% from the peak they reached last October. Investment bank analysts who follow this up-and-coming fintech think it can make a significant recovery, though. The consensus price target for Upstart represents 1 or 2% premium over recent prices. Lenders hire Upstart to evaluate individual credit risk. Upstart's algorithm tracks a lot more credit-related information than the 3-digit FICO scores Americans are familiar with. Lenders hire Upstart to evaluate individual credit risk. Lenders, not borrowers. Upstart's algorithm tracks a lot more credit-related information than the 3-digit FICO scores Americans are familiar with. Upstart is increasingly popular among banks that want to find credit-worthy borrowers. They would have ignored due to subpar FICO scores. The loans Upstart helped banks originate years ago are performing well, but analysts are nervous about loans originated in 2021. Specifically, they are worried net losses on loans the company originated a little less than a year ago because they are generating more losses than predicted. Upstart reported fourth quarter revenue that shot up 252% year over year to $305 million because lenders felt confident about Upstart's business model. Hopefully, the signs of weakness seen among recently originated loans are just temporary and not indicative of more trouble ahead. Global E Online. Shares of Global E Online have been on the rise in recent weeks, but it still sits around 57% below all-time high set last September. Investment bank analysts on Wall Street think it can bounce right back. The average price target on Global E represents a 114% premium over its price at the moment. Global E is one of the many e-commerce stocks that soared during the pandemic's early days, only to tumble once it became easier to shop in stores. Unlike some of its peers, though, this company issued forward-looking guidance for 2022 that exceeded analyst expectations during its latest earnings call. As its name implies, Global E helps brands and retailers around the world market their goods on the international stage. Apparently, there's a lot of pent-up demand for its services. In 2021, the gross value of merchandise sold by Global E's clients rose 87%. This is going to be another big year. Management expects GMV to climb 70% in 2022 as it expands operations into a slate of new territories. And what else do we have? Marathon Digital Holdings. Shares of this Bitcoin miner fell hard in late 2021 and early 2022, along with the cryptocurrency in March. More recently, the stock has drifted upwards in step with Bitcoin prices, and the Wall Street expects it to climb even further. The consensus target for Marathon Digital represents a 134% premium over recent prices. Wall Street is bullish for Marathon Digital due in part to increasing production. In the first quarter of 2022, Marathon produced a record 121,259 bitcoins. That was 556% more than the company reported the previous year's period. Hmm. Where to invest $1,000 right now? Okay. Okay, let's go back to reading articles. Okay, suddenly everyone is obsessed about a recession. Bank earnings expected to decline. The Snowflake stock will buy or sell amid software sector volatility. The Cisco stock will buy or sell. Enterprise market outlook improves. Shopify joins Tesla, Amazon, Alphabet, and proposing a stock split. AT&T stock adjusts for Warner Bros. Discovery debut. JP Morgan resumes coverage with overrate rating. Is Zoom stock a buy or sell amid Nasdaq volatility? Are these three Jim Cramer stock peaks a buy? Here's what analysts think. Is Verizon stock a buy? Is Salesforce stock a buy or sell as software growth stocks struggle? Shopify plans 10-for-1 stock split, golden share for founder CEO. Software growth stocks to buy, watch or sell amid Nasdaq volatility. While the start to the year prompts investors to check their portfolios. Stocks treasuries fall as rate hikes and focus markets wrap. SailPoint stock surge after $6.9 billion. Thoma Bravo buyout. Tech stocks poised to sleep as bond yields climb. JetBlue just got upgraded, but not because someone likes his Spirit offer. You're not imagining it. Indian origin CEOs indeed are everywhere. Twitter stock slips because Elon Musk won't be joining its board after all. Here's what's happening. Twitter. Berkshire Hathaway and Buffett are not a buy. What it means for a stock. Flight disruption sheet again. Airlines are facing a demand dilemma. No buyer's remorse for advisors who already allocate to crypto. Gold pushes higher ahead of this week's inflation data. Can the Fed cool it before it crashes? It's still not time to invest in China, argues Bank of America. Here's why. Russian oil exports are forced on longer voyages to find buyers. Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway bought HB stock. Why you should too. This energy crash is different. HEP. Okay. Suddenly everyone is obsessed about recession. Morning brief. By sometime next year, the U.S. economy may be limping around like Tiger Woods this past weekend at the Masters. Sorry, Tiger, I had to go there. I was rooting for you to win though. And just like watching the legend shaky performance at the Masters, it's almost hard to believe we're even sitting here pontificating on a recession. Is Snowflake stock a buy or sell? Snowflake. Snowflake. Let's look at Snowflake. Cloud computing giants. Competition increasing. ServiceNow veterans lead company. Amazon Web Services of frenemy. Fundamental analysis. Technical analysis. Snowflake stock owns a relative strength rating of 21 out of a best possible 99. The relative strength rating shows how a stock's price performance stacks up against all other stocks over the last 52 weeks. In addition, Snow stock holds an IBD composite rating of 29 out of a best possible 99. According to IBD Stock Checkup, IBD's composite rating combines 5 separate proprietary ratings into one easy-to-use rating. The best growth stocks have a composite rating of 90 or better. Snowflake stock has an accumulation distribution rating of B. Cisco stock, a buy or sell? Cannot read it unless I buy it. Unless I subscribe this channel. Bath and Body Works. And what else do we have? Signal Jewelers. Macy's. Smelling, fragrant, looking sparkly. It's time to head out to the department store, to fabled U.S. institution Macy's. No, not Macy's. It sells for stock, a buy or sell. Software growth stocks to buy. Watch. Cannot read it. Check their portfolios. Cannot read it. As bond yields climb, you are not imagining Indian orange CEOs indeed are everywhere. These days, if you fling a stone into Silicon Valley, you are most likely to hit an Indian orange CEO. Until a decade ago, there was only a handful of them, mostly in consumer goods, tech, and finance. PepsiCo's Indra Nooyi, who role-played leaders at the dinner table with her mother and sister, and Madras when she was young. Google's Sundar Pichai, the Madurai-born techie who was a major force in pushing Google to enter the browser wars with Chrome, and branding and finance wizard Ajay Banga, who led MasterCard for a decade before moving to General Atlantic earlier this year. Others like Citibank's Vikram Pandey did not last long at the top, yet more and more companies have turned to Indian origin talent for their top risks. Besides academic pedigree, several of these high performers are alumni of the Indian Institute of Technology or other such elite institutions of the country. And robust resumes, Indian origin managers bring to the table competitiveness, diversity and inclusion, an acute awareness of family commitments, and more. The first 3 years of the 2020s alone have seen almost as many Indian origin CEO appointments as did the entire 2010s. This even excludes second generation immigrants like Vimeo's Anizad, Workday's Anil Bushri, or the more contentious Nizar Shah of Wi-Fi. Here's a non-exhaustive Indian origin CEOs in the US and blah 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 list of Indian origin goes on. Alan, Twitter stock tumbled in pre-market trading Monday after it was announced Elon Musk wouldn't be joining the board of the social media company after all. Twitter CEO Parag Aragai late Sunday sent out a tweet saying Musk, the CEO of Tesla, who recently took a 9.2% position in Twitter, wouldn't be joining the Twitter board. He was to have joined on Saturday. Musk was still listed as a member of Twitter's board on the company website as of early Monday. Airlines are facing a demand dilemma. Hmm. PayPal stock is still ready for bargain hunting. Hmm. Global stocks sink on worries over inflation supply chains. Hmm. Digital payments platform PayPal shares have recently staged a rebound with the benchmark indexes, but maybe losing steam again. Both top and bottom line growth is slowing, as evidenced by its Q4 2021 earnings results. PayPal. Hmm. Laugh after eBay. Hmm. Global stock markets and Wall Street futures sank Monday after the Federal Reserve indicated it might raise interest rates more aggressively to cool U.S. inflation, and President Emmanuel Macron emerged from the first round of France's election facing a challenge from the far right. London and Frankfurt opened lower. Shanghai, Tokyo, and Hong Kong retreated. Oil fell more than $2 per barrel, and concern global economic growth might weaken. Investors are uneasy about higher interest rates. Federal Reserve, my interest rates more aggressively. So when would they talk about interest rates? Because uh that's when stock price fluctuate. You know, Hmm. Here in this article, it says they might raise interest rates, but who knows? Nobody knows, right? Except the one who speaks out, right? Uh, so since it's stated like this, it's possible that people would not likely buy mm, shares of companies at this point until uh real interest rates comes out, right? Mm. Let's see when they will actually talk about this raising interest rates. Why does the Fed want to indicate open lower? Shanghai Doki and Hong Kong retreated. Investors uneasy to cool U.S. inflation, and President Emmanuel Macron emerged from the first round of France's election facing a challenge from the far right. Mm. Investors are uneasy about higher interest rates, Russia's war in Ukraine, and China's effort to contain coronavirus outbreaks. Fed officials indicated in notes from last month's meeting they were considering raising the U.S. benchmark rate. Fed officials indicated in notes from last month's meeting they were considering raising the U.S. benchmark rate by double the normal amount at upcoming meetings. They also indicated they may shrink the Fed's bond holdings, which might push up commercial borrowing rates. Investors see increasing evidence the Federal Reserve would take a more accommodative approach to fighting inflation, said Stephen Innes of SPI Asset Management in a report. In early trading, the FTSE 100 in London fell 0.3% to. Oh. Markets are looking to a volatile 2 weeks before the final result is in a report on Wall Street, the future for the benchmark S&P 500 index was off 0.4%, and therefore the Dow Jones Industrial Average was down 0.1%. Depressed economic activity and make safer assets such as bonds more attractive, while making stocks look riskier and more expensive. Higher interest rates usually depress economic activity, make safer assets such as bonds more attractive, while making stocks look riskier and more expensive. Some worry the Fed after being accused of reacting too late to rising inflation. Might push the brakes too hard and tip the world's biggest economy into recession. And blah blah blah. 7 trucking stocks are about to go on a roll. Americans are facing a historic supply chain crisis. The solutions are simple on the one hand and madly complex on the other. And then no industry embodies that complexity more than the truck industry. Just getting the barges unloaded will not be enough. Those goods have to be transported to a final destination. Hmm. Okay, enough of reading articles. We don't have that many articles tonight. I mean, of course, there are a lot of articles, but I feel that it's not readable, and it doesn't even gain my interest. So, last night I was reading annual reports uh about the company named Cloudflare, and I found this really, really interesting because it's got a lot of information about the company. the info that I could not get just by looking at the website yahoofinance.com, because all the info shown on the website are really uh, not really special. I mean, of course, some would think it's special, but for me, you know, like I've been like reading it over and over, so every information like on here doesn't seem like new, but here it's more precise, like uh analytical. So I found this really interesting. Let's first go to overview. Overview here. It says Cloudflare's mission is to help build a better internet. Item number one, business. It looks like it's got like 700 pages or so, but I'm gonna just uh at some moment I'll be just skipping because I'll be only focusing on some important parts, just rather than going through every little tiny information. Okay. Uh, in recent years, the technology industry has undergone a massive transition from on-premise hardware and software that customers buy to services in the cloud that they rent. Organizations find themselves at different points in this transition to the cloud. Regardless of where organizations are in their transition, they all face a common set of challenges. They access and accomplish heterogeneous. Wait, hold on. Hmm. Hmm. Let's first. I invested into the company named Paladin Interactive, and I actually look at the income statement, balance sheet, and financial report of this company tonight, and I found that mm, the asset is sum of equity and liability, and I found that this company, uh, the liability of this company is larger than uh, the equity, which is not a good sign. So what I thought was that it's really dangerous, because perspective stable, you know, in terms of looking at it with the point of how stable it is. uh it's not a good sign, because if liability is larger than equity, it could possibly bankruptcy uh, could possibly happen. That's that's what I know. Um, Wait. Anyway, let's look at the report of this company first and see what they say about this company, and report proxy statements PDF. Okay, there you go. Securities and report parts 1 to section 13. Uh Business risk factors on resolved staff comments, property legal proceedings. Uh, mhm, mhm. Our business is subject to numerous risks and uncertainties, including those described in Part 1, Item 1A, Risk Factors, in its annual report in Form 10-K. You should carefully consider these risks and uncertainties when investing in our Class A common stock. Some of the principal risks and uncertainties include the following. We have incurred operating losses in the past, may incur operating losses in the future, may not achieve or maintain profitability in the future. Okay. It's the largest interactive fitness platform in the world, with a loyal community of over 5.9 million members as of June 30, 2021. Okay, at this point, let me tell you what I know about this company. This company, like I said earlier, the what is it? Asset is sum of is, is sum of equity and liability, right? Its liability is larger than equity, and um, it's dangerous, right? It's dangerous, but some people think uh, they've got a mm, upside potential because recently its CEO has changed, and uh, they got a lot of things going on in this company, and mm, well, something like that. But let's see what they really say about their company. We pioneered the connected technology-enabled fitness and the streaming of immersive instructor-led boutique classes to our members anytime, anywhere. We make fitness entertaining, approachable, effective, and convenient, while fostering social connections that encourage our members to be the best versions of themselves. We define a member as any individual who has a Paladin account through a paid connected fitness subscription or paid so they provide paid services, okay, or paid Paladin digital subscription. We're an innovation company at the nexus of fitness, technology, and media. We have disrupted the fitness industry by developing a first of its kind subscription platform that seamlessly combines the best equipment, proprietary network software, and world-class streaming digital fitness and wellness content, creating a product that our members love. Driven by our members' first mindset, we'll build to a vertically integrated platform that ensures the best-in-class end-to-end experience. We have a direct-to-consumer multi-channel sales platform. We had 123 showrooms as of June 30, 2021, with knowledgeable sales specialists, a high-touch delivery service, and helpful member support teams. Our world-class instructors teach classes across a variety of fitness and wellness disciplines. Our revenue is primarily generated from sale of our connected fitness products and associated recurring subscription revenue. We have historically experienced significant growth in sales of our connected fitness products, which, when combined with our low average net monthly connected fitness churn, led to significant growth in connected fitness subscription. Our connected fitness subscription base grew by 114%. Our compelling financial profile is characterized by high growth, strong retention, recurring revenue, and efficient subscription acquisition. When we acquire a new connected fitness subscription, we're often able to offset our subscription acquisition costs. Hmm. Hmm. Connected fitness products: bike, carbon steel frame, a nearly silent belt drive, durable magnetic resistance, bike plus. Treadmill. The newest addition to our Tread line has all the essential elements of the Tread Plus experience, but in a more affordable and compact form factor. Subscription. Connected fitness subscription. Our connected fitness subscriptions are on a month-to-month basis, all for multiple household users, and provide unlimited access to all live and on-demand classes. Paladin Digital began as a companion app for connected fitness subscriptions, provide access to our classes while our members were away from their connected fitness products. Include indoor, outdoor running, walking, bike and tread, boot camps, yoga, Pilates, bar, strength training, stretching, meditation, and floor cardio. Our vertically integrated fitness platform technology, our content delivery, and interactive software platform critical to our member experience. We invest substantial resources in research and development to enhance our platform, develop new products and features, improve the speed, scalability, and security of our platform infrastructure. Our research and development organization consists of world-class engineering, product, and design teams. Our engineering, product, and design teams work together to bring our product to life, from conception and validation to implementation. Our video streaming pipeline utilizes cloud providers for stream generation, storage, and distribution. Content and music will create engaging, original fitness and wellness content in an authentic live environment that is immersive and motivating while encouraging a sense of community. We combine high production value content with a broad catalog of music to create a truly unique fitness experience our members love. So they make music, right? Okay. We create engaging, original fitness and wellness content in an authentic live environment that is immersive and motivating while encouraging a sense of community. Okay. High production value. We use performance data to understand our members' workout habits in order to evolve and optimize our programming around class type. As we further expand internationally, we'll develop localized content, as we have done in the United Kingdom and Germany, where we produce content featuring 5 British and 3 German instructors from our London studio. Critical role in bringing the Pound experience to life for our members. Production team, music and music technology, so they got what they need for producing services. So they have like instructors, music makers, and high technology, and here it says they like spend a lot of money on R&D stuff, you know, music and music technology, uh, and we'll continue to apply technological solutions and an artistic century partnership strategy to enhance our music platform, including blah blah blah. Music rights strategy, sales and marketing, brand awareness and purchase intent for our connected fitness products and subscriptions. Video has been the strongest medium to communicate the features of the Paladin platform. Multi-channel sales model. We sell our product directly to consumers through a multi-channel sales platform. It includes e-commerce, inside sales, showrooms, and in a small number of cases, a store within store concept. Let's look at the YouTube of this company first. And what was it? Path Interactive. So it's pretty cool. I mean, the video they made looks pretty cool. The one who speaks looks professional. The way she dresses looks special. I mean, like, red top bra and red leggings, should I say? Uh, looks special, and the background hmm, looks fancy. Uh, and they show like how uh they use the technology stuff. It all looks good. But it's not important. Okay, showrooms. Our showrooms all the customers to experience and try our products. Okay. Commercial. The commercial and hospitality markets represent a small percentage of sales. Hmm. But are important to driving trial and brand awareness. Commercial. Hmm. E-commerce and inside sales are desktop and mobile websites. Uh provide an elevated brand experience where visitors can learn about our products and services and access product reviews. Our inside sales team engages with customers by phone, email, and online chat on our website and offers one-on-one sales consultations 7 days a week. Okay, corporate wellness, showroom size strategy. We operated 123 retail locations across the United States, Canada, United Kingdom, and Germany. Okay, not in the Asian countries. Okay, our retail locations are located primarily in upscale malls and lifestyle centers. Premium street locations. When out evaluating potential new markets, we carefully examine historical sales data, key demographics, traffic patterns, geographic locations, a co-tenancy of other complementary lifestyle-oriented retailers. We tend to cluster of stores around major urban markets. Three retail formats, including our large showrooms, which range from close our global showrooms in accordance with local, state, and municipal guidelines, membership, member support services, manufacturing, logistics and fulfillment, intellectual property, mm, competition. Okay, let's look at this competition. We believe that our first mover advantage, leading market position, brand recognition, vertically integrated platform set us apart in the rapidly growing market for connected technology enabled fitness. Okay. It looks like they point out connected technology enabled fitness. Okay, I get it. Cause uh normally I think um fitness product when you look at fitness product, you don't see it as something that you can use to get connected with people. But from what I see, they point out connectedness and technology enabled fitness. Because I mean, and when you do workout, it's sometimes boring because I mean you do exercise alone. But if you do that thing, if you do work out with your friends online, but you would not get bored because you can do exercise with people worldwide, people on the other side of the globe, stuff like that. I think that's what this is about. Mm, mm. We provide a spur value proposition and benefit from the clear endorsement of our connected fitness subscriptions, giving us a competitive advantage versus traditional fitness and wellness products and services and future potential entrants. Okay, we provide a superior value proposition and benefit from the clear endorsements of our connected fitness subscription. Okay, they've got like subscriptions too. It's something different. I do workout too, right? I go to gym and do workout, and but none of the workout you know product made me feel that I'm connected. And but this product certainly makes you feel you're connected, right? So it looks like they think it's their competitors. Uh, Clear endorsement of our connected fitness subscriptions, giving us a competitive advantage versus traditional fitness and wellness products and services and future potential entrants. While we believe we're changing the consumption patterns for fitness and growing the market, our main sources of competition include in-studio fitness classes, fitness clubs, at-home fitness equipment and content, and health and wellness apps. The areas in which we compete include product offering, talent, consumer engagement. We compete for consumers to join our platform through connected fitness subscriptions or PAL and digital subscriptions. And we seek to engage and retain them through an integrated experience that combines content, software, service, and community consumer engagement. We compete with producers of fitness products and work to ensure that our connected fitness products maintain the most innovative technology and user-friendly features. User-friendly, innovative technology. We compete for talent in every vertical across our company, including technology, media, fitness, design, supply chain, logistics, music, marketing, mm, finance strategy, legal, and retail. As our platform is highly dependent on technology, hardware, and software, we require a significant base of engineers to continue innovating. Okay, innovating. Okay, innovation. Mm. But not limited to total cost, supply chain efficiency across sourcing and procurement, manufacturing, logistics, enhanced products and services, original content, product quality and safety, competitive pricing policies, vision for the market, uh, and product innovation, strength of sales and marketing strategies, technological advances, and brand awareness and reputation. We believe we compete favorably across all of these factors. We have developed a business model that is difficult to replicate. Okay, government regulation, seasonality. Government regulation. We are subject to many varying laws and regulations in the United States, United Kingdom, European Union, and throughout the world. Privacy, data protection, and content regulation, intellectual property, consumer protection, e-commerce, marketing, advertising, messaging, rights of publicity, health and safety, blah 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 blah. Our dynamic cultural expresses our expansive vision and passion for community and collaboration, and is shaped by the following fundamental values. Dynamic cultural expresses our expansive vision and passion for community and collaboration, and is shaped by the following fundamental values. Put members first, operate with a bias for action, empower teams of smart creatives. Together we go far. They got like 6,743 individuals in the United States across our New York City headquarters. Okay, its headquarters is located in New York City, Plano campus. Uh, Internationally, we had 828 employees in the United Kingdom, Germany, and Australia across corporate showroom and warehouse functions. 135 employees in Canada, largely in showroom, warehouse roles. Uh, and 160 individuals in Taiwan across manufacturing. Okay, quality engineering, operation functions. Our acquisition of Precourt and added Precourt 796 employees located across 14 countries to our team, with most based primarily in manufacturing facilities in North Carolina and Washington State. We also hire additional seasonal employees in our field operations, member support, and showrooms during the holiday season. Okay, it's a big company. 6,743 individuals are working in this company. Okay. Certain of our instructors are covered by collective bargaining agreements with the screen actors. Diversity, equity, inclusion, anti-racist organization. Specific learning programs for managers. When it comes to supporting our employees, we're proud to have 8 active, engaged employee resource groups. Okay, now here it points out that they also provide education for employees. Not only education, but like bonuses that you can get when you work at this company. Stuff like that. That fosters a diverse and inclusive workspace. These groups foster belonging and engagement by bringing them members together to create support development opportunities and programming for all of our team members. Employee safety. We work to prioritize the health and welfare of our team, our members, and our environment. The core elements of our employees' health and safety strategy are risk analysis, incident management, documented processes, blah, blah, blah. Training, development, engagement. Apparently, we have a dedicated global learning and development team that develops and delivers company wide learning and development experiences across all functions. We're committed to making Powhatan the best place to work by engaging with and listening to our employees. We maintain ongoing connection with our team members, competitive compensation, work and life harmony. Hmm. Few of the tools and programs we use to attract, reward, retain top talent. Comprehensive health care and mental health benefits, child care solutions. Reach our goal of maintaining healthy work-life harmony, we have instituted supportive practice for working and maintaining the following policies. Corporate information. We were formed in 2012 as PAL Interactive. Available information or reports filed with are furnished to the SEC pursuant to Section 13 and 15 of the Security Exchange Act of 1934 as amended or the Exchange Act are available free of charge. As a means of disclosing material information, according investors should monitor our investor relations website in addition to following our press release, SEC filings, public conference calls, and webcasts. Oh, okay, now let's go over to risk factors. There are a lot to read, a lot to take in. So, I'm gonna read as fast as possible because there's a lot to read and a lot to take in a short period of time. If I had the if I had plenty of time, then I would just read this, you know, like forever. But I ain't got no time, right? So risk factors. Investing in our Class A common stock involves a high degree of risk. You should carefully consider risk and uncertainty and describe below. Okay, the risk and uncertainties described below are not the only ones we face. Additional risk and uncertainties that we are unaware of or that we deem immaterial may also become important factors that adversely affect our business. If any of the following risks occur, our business, financial condition, operating results, and future prospects could be materially and adversely affected. Most material financial operation execution risk. Okay, let's see what they are. Bold letters. We have incurred operating losses in the past, may incur operating losses in the future. It may not achieve or maintain profitability in the future. We may be unable to attract retain subscribers, which could have an adverse effect on our business and rate of growth. On our ability to continuously attract and retain subscribers, and we cannot be sure that we will be successful in these efforts or that subscriber retention levels will not materially decline. There are a number of factors that could lead to a decline in subscriber levels or that could prevent us from increasing our subscriber levels, including pricing and perceived value of our offerings, our inability to deliver quality products, content, and services. If we're unable to anticipate consumer preferences and successfully develop and introduce new innovative and updated products and services in a timely manner, or effectively manage the introduction of new or enhanced products and services, our business may be adversely affected. Okay. I read too much tonight. This is it. My opinion in terms of reading this business report is that since it's a business report, what is it? Is it a business report? They here it talks about only the positive things about not the positive things. Okay, so far I read a positive part about this company. Starting from this section, I'll be reading about risk factors, and if I can just evaluate factors uh, precisely, that would really influence the way I invest. But since here are a lot to take in, it's gonna be difficult for sure. That's my opinion. Okay, this is it for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow again. Okay, bye bye.